Alright guys, another unique hack that we can use. I found this one. I'm not even sure how I found it. I was just digging and digging for ways that we can go and look for topic opportunities and angles and stuff like that. So what I came across was this software called QuestionsPro.io. Okay, QuestionsPro.io. You can sign up here and get a free account, okay? And the free account will give you that you can put in 10 questions. And when you put in those 10 questions, or 10 keywords I should say, when you put in those 10 keywords, it's going to auto-populate some questions that it finds, okay? Now there's a couple of different sections in here. One is called keywords, and you can see it down here, discovered questions. For example, for video marketing, if I open that up, it's got 99 questions. Like how effective is video marketing, what is video marketing, etc. Okay, I'll just close. Actually, before I close it, you can see in here as well the total views. Okay, you can see how many people are actually following that question. Some people follow that question because they're interested to know if there is going to be any other people posting some responses, some answers basically to the question. So it's the topic that they're interested in. So this can give you an indication as well as about how popular a topic is. But don't forget, that questions like this: how effective is online video marketing? Who's likely to be asking that kind of question? Is it a local business, a small business? Is there enough of them? And is that the kind of audience that you want to be building an email list of? Maybe you do local marketing, that would make perfect sense. But if you want to do affiliate marketing, you're probably going to be looking for like SEO hacks for YouTube SEO and stuff like that, instead of kind of offline angles. Okay, so basically you want to make sure you got your keywords done nicely first. Okay, and you can see that's the discover questions, and there's monthly questions in here as well. Why is video marketing such a powerful tool and stuff like that, and you can see different angles in here. Weekly questions, let's see, that's the last 7 days. These questions have come up, and the good thing about these is, although they do not have yet a lot of followers, they probably don't have a lot of answers as well, so that you can go out and get yourself like the top answer and stuff like that. Okay, so that's a little tool that really digs in. This is actually Quora, by the way. This is Quora, in case I forgot to mention. I'm kind of jumping ahead of myself there. Let's come into this section here. This questions found. Okay, these are taken from these keywords that we found in here. I did not put these questions in. Okay, so I basically found these questions in the question section from my keywords. It's pre-populated for me. Okay, so you can see here what are some examples of great marketing, maybe some case studies somebody's looking for. Examples of guerrilla marketing. How can I start affiliate marketing? That's more interesting. Okay, but how can I start affiliate marketing? What kind of products could you promote to those people? You could promote stuff like ClickFunnels, Builderall. You could promote stuff like Lead Blaster, to be honest with you. It would be a perfect fit for those kind of people. For newbies, I mean, because it's just easy to do. They don't need to build a website and stuff like that. WordPress Alpha would be another one of mine. Those kind of tools, the tools that are very easy for people to give people a head start. Okay, the tools that can kickstart the campaigns, the tools that can help them to go and get traffic and rankings without really understanding much about SEO. VidiTag Alpha is perfect for that as well. All that kind of stuff where you can get an affiliate link and you can just go and promote it. But what you want to do is create your list of tips and actionable tips and ninja tips or whatever it might be, okay, for your Lead Blaster checklist, so that it's generic to one niche or one sub niche. So if it's about how to do affiliate marketing, how to get started with affiliate marketing, then you always leave yourself a possibility to go and change whatever the promotion is. So if VidiTag Alpha, for example, you were doing that one and it's not converting for you, then maybe it's too advanced for that audience. Maybe you should go and promote ClickFunnels. Okay, it doesn't matter what you promote, it's just that you have that flexibility. Okay, gives you the ability that you can move between promotions in seconds, literally. and it will update whatever you do within the Lead Blaster dashboard will update in real time in the Chrome extensions here, as you have seen many times before. Okay, and also you can go and take the videos from their JV pages or their sales pages or whatever, so that you get a good explanation of what the tool is that you're promoting as well. This is a good place to use that. Anyway, so yeah, questionspro.io. Okay, they do have a membership that is like $29 a month. I haven't taken up that membership. I'm just playing around with this. I'm finding it's interesting, but I need to spend time to do a little bit more digging. One more thing while we're here, I'm going to bring this one over here. This I think came from the same people, and you can see this is called pingroupie.com. Okay, I stumbled upon these. I don't know for a fact how I got there. I had a lot of tabs open. I was doing a lot of research. I was just digging all the time, trying to find good winning topic ideas for using for the Chrome extension checklist that we can build with Lead Blaster. So I came across this and the Questions Pro at the same time, and this one you can see you can put in some keywords here, and it's looking for Pinterest groups. Now Pinterest groups, you can see there's big audiences in here, very 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 big audiences in here. Instagram marketing strategies got like what's that, 11,114. Social media group board, 11,900. There's a lot of information now that we can use. Let's see if I can find one, for example, about, let's see, SEO. I'm just curious. We can sort descending. There's nothing coming up that's really specific to SEO here. It's kind of weird, that, isn't it? Hold on a second. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay, let me try something else here. Let me try YouTube. Let me just put in the word marketing again one more time. Let's see what we can break down from there. I don't know what they mean by sorting by descending and ascending. I thought that would show possibly the amount of followers, and there's no way for me to filter that. It might be useful, it might not, but you can check it out. It's called pingroupie.com. I haven't paid for anything here, so it must be free. Okay, one more thing I'm going to show you as well before we go. Okay, this one is back to Quora again. Now in Quora you will find that they have got this thing up here called Spaces. Okay, now the Spaces are interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. You can see all the spaces I've signed up to, like business marketing, YouTube marketing, online money making. Some of these spaces actually have quite a lot of followers. Okay, there's, you know, it's not huge amounts, but it's a targeted audience. Okay, so if I click on here to see all spaces, okay, and discover new spaces, etc., then what we can do, you can even create your own space as well in here. You can come down, you can sort out, so here's search engine optimization, for example. And under search engine optimization, you're going to find related ones. So this one here is like marketing tips and tricks. And we can follow that. Okay, there's 44,000 people following that one. Okay, so that gives us an opportunity that we can, you know, take advantage of that. If I just click through on this and have a look, maybe there's going to be opportunities in here that we can use, and maybe there's information that we can create that we can post into multiple groups, so that we can start to build an audience that's you know, just, you know, more and more targeted across, you know, many spaces, that we can just keep posting again and again the same content in different spaces. I don't know if that's possible or not, or maybe we can just tweak it and do it like that. But giving away stuff like checklists is going to be really huge in here, and I can't do my promotion yet, and it's kind of really frustrating because I've been hoping to be able to do that for the last sort of 48 hours. I've been sort of itching to do it as I've started to dig into the promotional aspects of stuff to put inside the membership area for Lead Blaster, because things like Quora marketing, when you see things like this is fish in a barrel stuff. This is really, really, really easy marketing. Okay, all you have to do is drop a link in here with an explanation. Say, hey guys, I hope you enjoy this, because I have curated a list of these actionable tips, and I've gone through all these different blog posts and videos from these top experts on how to do something, and instead of just walking away and hoping you remember it, I've put them all into one checklist for everybody to use, and it can be updated in real time as well. So give me suggestions if you've got any yourself. That makes it like a community thing. That makes them a little bit involved as well, which makes them think, this is good, I want to do this, I like this. And it starts to build your email list really fast. It just exponentially grows your email list. And I can't do anything like that right now because I'm running that case study. And that case study, I'm just leaving it as it is, to see if we can get like the 1,000 subscribers in 1 month, and we're getting pretty close, to be honest. We can't be too far away now, and it's not been 30 days, it's only day 22 or something like that. Let's just see what we got in here. Yeah, we're 861, we're about 140 short, and today is the 2nd of June. Now, we created this one on the 11th of May. Okay, 11th of May. Probably it was nearer 12th of May, my time, and because I'm ahead. So you can see we've got about 9 or 10 days to go, and we're looking like we're going to cross that 1,000 pretty soon. Once I've done that, I can start promoting. I'm not going to promote until then because I'm kind of keeping a tab on this and taking screenshots every day or two so that we can see the progress of how this has been building up in real time, just from being in the Chrome store and no other promotion apart from the on-page SEO that you've seen before. And that's basically how that works. So using these spaces in Quora, these give a perfect opportunity. Okay, so you can explode things like this. You don't have to hang around with me. You don't have to sell this to anybody. Okay, I'm trying to show people that even if you did nothing else, you can build an email list that is already pre-qualified. How is it pre-qualified? Because who the hell is looking for YouTube SEO checklist apart from people who are interested in YouTube SEO? Okay, who would want to sign up for YouTube SEO checklist if it's only ranking for keywords that have got to do with YouTube SEO? Okay, people are searching for YouTube SEO and they can find us. People are looking for SEO checklists and they can find us. That's the kind of keywords it's ranking for. So the people that actually do go to click to get the actual Chrome extension, and then they're presented with an opt-in form or an opt-in lock, they're pre-qualified. They're pretty much pre-qualified as far as the definition goes, because they have been searching for that. They've decided they want that, and to confirm they want that, they've actually decided to give me an email address before they can access this. So they are pre-qualified. Okay, so I'm running this in the background. You don't have that delay. You can go into places like Quora, into Facebook groups. You can go and post into traffic, places where there's traffic, and you can really make a noise about your checklist and start to build. And we'll cover that in the 30-day challenge as well, because 30-day challenge we will be going through tactics like this, or techniques like this, strategies, methods, whatever you want to call them. We will be going through like this for a whole week. We will do 1 or 2 a day till we get through it, and at that point I expect things will explode for a lot of people, and it's just going to leave people thinking, wow, one checklist got me all those subscribers. And then they're going to want to build more checklists, because that's what I want to do right now. I want to go and build more. So I've brought back a couple of virtual assistants that I had before, and I had them rebuild all of my checklists that was in the previous version of, before we had Lead Blaster, we had a previous version of a checklist maker, to pull it all into Lead Blaster so that I can start to work on them one at a time. So anyway, some good resources here. questionspro.io, okay, pingroupie.com. Go into Quora and look at Quora spaces. Search in Quora for related kind of keywords, and when you're in the spaces there, sign up for some spaces and keep an eye on what they are talking about. Okay, keep an eye on what they are sharing, and it's okay to share other people's content in there as well. And it's probably a good thing to do, because if you go and share somebody else's video, somebody else's infographic or whatever, say, "Hi, I've seen this and it kind of relates to that, it's kind of interesting." All you're doing is you're just being helpful, okay? And you're not asking for anything in between for doing that. You're just being helpful. You're just sharing something that is actually useful for people, and that way you can start to build your presence, in the sense that people will start to notice who you are and that you are helpful and that you understand enough here to be able to contribute in a way that's helpful to them and to other people, okay? And you can do that quite easily. It's very, very easy. You can find that kind of stuff on YouTube, on Pinterest, as you've seen, like all those infographics and stuff on Pinterest. And it's a great way to be able to just sort of build that presence, so that you're still nurturing that audience even before they're coming into your email list, some of them, okay? And that way, when you do drop a checklist, then they're thinking, wow, this is really good. This is really good. I like this, okay? And you can start to build your audience very, very quickly. Anyway, thanks for watching.